2018 Citroen Berlingo. This one's got 89,000 miles on. Will come with a fresh major service, new MOT, and it's also had a recent time and a water pump done. This is a nice clean van on the exterior. Also clean on the interior, no rips, no tears, as you can see. This is the Enterprise model. Comes with aircon, cruise control and so on. This will come with our standard 3 months warranty and can be delivered anywhere in the UK. If you've got any inquiries, feel free to drop us a message or give us a call.